It is said that the face is the mirror of the human mind. A beautiful face achieves results or good first impressions easily, while the opposite provides an uphill struggle. Not surprisingly, our teeth draw in a great deal of attention and are a significant factor in judging attractiveness, so a clean, white smile can play a crucial role in how you are first perceived by many. Lustrous teeth portray our confidence and eventually help us to win the hearts of those we interact with. Tooth whitening is a way of brightening the natural color of our teeth. This should be done without removing any of the tooth surfaces and enamels. Enamels should not be affected during the process of tooth whitening, as this may result in tooth decay and eventual failure, so harsher methods should not be applied despite their bleaching potency. It is not possible to make a complete color change, instead the existing shades are simply lightened. One of the largest contributors to discolored teeth is the fact that we have moved away from the natural style of living and eating. The processed foods and drinks such as tea, coffee, red wine, as well as habits like smoking and drinking, are continuously staining our teeth. Tartar can also affect the color of our teeth. Tooth whitening, also referred to as tooth bleaching, is an effort to remove these stains and discoloration. It is an aesthetic dentistry technique to lighten pigmentation within the teeth. Professional bleaching is the most common form of tooth whitening. Hydrogen peroxide or carbamide peroxide is commonly used for this purpose. This liberates oxygen to the teeth and oxidizes stains and cracks, thereby brightening the tooth color. For this process, the gums are usually first covered with gels, and special trays are used to apply the materials. Normally this will be finished within 30 minutes to 1 hour. Apart from this conventional cleaning, laser whitening methods, also referred to as power whitening, are regularly employed now. In this process, after protecting gums with a suitable cover, a bleaching product is painted onto the teeth. This product is then activated via laser beams, whereupon the light catalyzes the chemical reaction of the whitening product. This teeth whitening method is faster compared to the aforementioned one, and is more effective too. It can make your teeth 6 to 8 shades lighter, but even though it has these advantages, it is a far more costly option. With at-home tooth whitening options, the dental patient has the bleaching materials with them at home and performs bleaching treatments of their own. Be careful, because this method lacks proper supervision and thus requires diligent application. Click the link in the description to get the best product in the market, proven to work.